It is a pleasure to be joined by sponsors Oracle right now with John Abel and James Hargreaves. How are you both?
Very good.
Very good.
Lovely. And please tell me a little bit about what you do in detail within the company. What are your roles?
Yeah, so my role is I am the Vice President of Cloud and Innovation for UK, Ireland and Israel. And my day job is looking after all the solution engineers creating solutions for our customer.
Fantastic.
And I'm a graduate solution engineer working under John. So I work mainly with the cloud technologies, building demonstrations and prototypes for events like this.
Excellent, fantastic stuff. So let's talk about the voice development that you're working on.
Yes.
John, maybe you could elaborate for us.
Yeah, so one of the things you can see around our stand at the moment is a number of ways that we interact with data. So we have our smart city over there, we have the beehives, and today myself and James are on stage talking about actually how do you create technology using voice. So for the first time ever, we showed creating an autonomous database just by using a voice, and then James demonstrated actually how he could use a chatbot to actually inquire with the data and talk to the data. So there's not really a typical developer interface.
Fantastic. So maybe you could tell us a little bit more about that.
Yeah, so we demonstrated on stage how we can create a database using voice. So we connected our digital assistant to a Alexa. So through the Alexa, it takes us through the step on how we can create the database and shown in real time that database being provisioned on the dashboard. We also showed another channel, which was through the web. So we can scale a database, we can query our data, and we can populate data. And we also finally just showed that how we can import documentational and relational databases as one.
Fantastic. That sounds absolutely brilliant. So, John, let's talk a little bit about how developers and ultimately customers can benefit from autonomous technology.
Yeah, I mean, one of the things Oracle's very well known for is security, performance, and scaling. Now, classically, when I started my career, obviously way before James started his career, and we were only talking about that this morning, about a lot of it was down to really understanding how technology worked and the characteristics of usage. The challenge today is people haven't got time for that. They want to just literally, as James did on stage, speak to a technology, interact with technology, and just use it. So within 60 seconds, James can show a database that a developer could interact with. Within 1 minute 30, he's actually got a schema, a data schema, a financial services organization built in the database. So if you think when I started, to get to the point where you could develop any technology took months and months of massive amount of capital outlay. What we've now got the ability with Autonomous is basically to create things much quicker, and then when you need to scale it, it instantly scales as well. So it's not only performant, it's not only scaling, also immediate access to information.
Very exciting. Gentlemen, thank you very much from here at Oracle. Cheers, thank you.
Brilliant, thank you.